Hey y'all, and welcome to Sheena'sWorld. So yes, today you guys, I am doing this mukbang for you all on the chicken that I cooked yesterday. Okay, let's dig in and see how this turned out. Okay, see y'all look, mac and cheese look good. Yes, cornbread, chicken, golden brown. Yes. Okay. So how y'all doing today? I hope good. It is some good weather out there yet again today. I haven't got out today. I just been relaxing in the house. Mm. Mac and cheese is good, y'all. Hold on, let me see. Can y'all see that? And I'm making a mess, dropping stuff. It's hot. Chicken's nice and juicy, y'all. Can y'all see that? Mm. Ooh. It's hot, y'all. It's hot. Rossi. There you go, baby. Next time I fry next time I cook chicken, I think I want to do the wet batter. Yeah, because I haven't did the wet batter in a long time, so I think I'm going to do it that way next time. I don't know. We'll see, y'all. We'll see. I am hungry, y'all. So this is my first meal of the day. Okay, I skipped breakfast today. Yeah, some days I skip breakfast and don't eat till about maybe 1 o'clock. But all that morning I'll either drink tea, my burdock tea, or elderberry tea, or I'll just drink water. Once on the days that I skip breakfast. Excuse me. So yeah. This turns out real good, y'all. Let me try this cornbread. Oh, one bite. Cornbread, nice and fluffy. See? Cornbread came out good, y'all. Ooh, I filled that up to the rim. Hold on, Roxy. Oh. Here, I had that phone. He's like, Mama, feed me. He is so picky, like, you know the dry dog food? So he only eats that literally as a snack, y'all. I'm like, it's frustrating because, okay, so I'll cook, like maybe boil some chicken for him sometimes, you know. And he'll eat that. But yeah, he only eats the dog food mainly as a snack. I'm like, come on, Rosky, now. But yeah. My baby's spoiled. He's spoiled, y'all. It's good. I probably should have put another side with it. I'm sitting here thinking like maybe green beans or greens or something. Green could have went good with this. Maybe next time, y'all. Leave a comment down below and let me know what y'all eat with y'all fried chicken. I know mac and cheese goes perfect with it. Okay? Uh-oh. I was about to say, I thought he would come back from all y'all. Dogs are spoiled. Okay, so, and with that, Yes, I got full, y'all. Sorry this video was a little short, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. Hold on one second, y'all. So, if y'all haven't watched the cooking video on me frying this chicken up, y'all look down on my page and find that video, okay? And watch it, y'all. But I hope y'all enjoyed this one. I love you all. I thank you all for your support. Please come back and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And love y'all once again. Welcome to Sheena'sWorld. Bye.